It's Bonnie. Happy Friday night. Check it out. The power is still on, but it's pretty terrible outside. But that's okay because best sale of the season, Bath and Body Works. Oh my goodness, you guys. So tomorrow only, we're having a moisturizing body wash, body scrub, and body butter sale. We're going to talk about this. Oh my gosh. So you have to have the email code in store or use the code fresh skin online, and it says start your list. We're going to go over this. This is actually a phenomenal deal if you want to try some new stuff. So this includes aromatherapy. So your vanilla, vetiver vanilla, normally $19.95 in the body butter. It includes your moisturizing body washes, which I don't even have a lot of. I need some of these. I've got a strawberry pound cake and a midnight amber glow. This is great in the winter, by the way. It's a little bit more moisturizing. I love it as a fall into winter formula. The new Chasing Fireflies you can get in the scrub, the creamy scrub, and the moisturizing body wash. Champagne, apple, and honey in one of my favorite formulas. It's funny because I don't love that in the candle, but I really like it in the body scrub because it's the foaming sugar. That's a great formula. The new Cocoa Shea, actually, this is really nice, you guys. Normally $20.95. I really like this year. You know, it's funny. A couple of people have said it smells a little different. I think it smells like the original Cocoa Shea. I like it. It's not the honey one or the cucumber one. Together Weather in the body butter. I was just talking about. We also have the water and the sensitive skin colloidal oatmeal. These are really nice. This one smells so good to me. These are, like I said, are $20.95. The water one's amazing. The lavender vanilla shea sugar body scrub, that's a favorite of mine. Also includes the Moxie, the dry skin face polish, if you want to try that. The brand new In the Stars whipped Glotion body butter. It's weird because it includes the moisturizing body wash in the aromatherapy, which I didn't even know we had. I'm going to put a screenshot up of this. Since when do we have moisturizing body wash in the aromatherapy? I'm like, where have I been? It's beautiful packaging. I actually like the chamomile patchouli too. Into the Night exfoliating glow body scrub, mimosa spearmint. I want to get a mimosa spearmint. I want to review that for you guys. The Cocoa Shea rich moisturizing body wash. That's a mouthful. Cocoa Shea Rich Moisturizing Body Wash. I'm going to put a screenshot. Make it easy. A lot of people are going to get the Water Ultra Hydration with Hyaluronic Acid. That's another one. That's hard to say. Let me screenshot that one too so you can see what it looks like. Eucalyptus Spearmint, that sugar body scrub. That one's kind of oily. Chasing Fireflies in the whipped body butter, champagne, apple, and honey. Like I said, the colloidal oatmeal. This is wonderful, by the way. I love this. Champagne toast, exfoliating glow body scrub. Oh my gosh, yeah. Rose Magnolia moisturizing body wash in the aromatherapy. In the Stars, exfoliating glow body scrub. The Together Weather foaming sugar body scrub. And then we go to the Wild Sand, which is the exfoliating desert one. That's that sandy one that I don't love. Looks like sand. Gingham Gorgeous in the foaming sugar body scrub. So we're going back to tropical. Japanese cherry blossom, cocoa paradise, warm sugar vanilla, or warm vanilla sugar. I got that backwards. Eucalyptus lavender in the whipped body butter. Boy, there's a lot of stuff. Gingham. There's a page too. Oh my gosh, you guys. What else do they have? Oh, Butterfly. You gotta get Butterfly in the moisturizing body wash. That one is wonderful. The Neroli Blossom in the whipped body butter. Boy, there's a lot of stuff. Oh, my strawberry pound cake. I actually have one. This is an older one. But the new packaging strawberry pound cake. Let's see. Among the Clouds in the scrub, in the creamy scrub, in the moisturizing body wash. The Moxie face scrub. Lavender vanilla. Wow. Okay. So there are online 65 items for the $6.95 sale tomorrow. And then in store, you're probably going to find a heck of a lot more. So, yeah, this is a good deal. I will be on tomorrow to see if there's anything else going on with this sale. I actually have a creamy body scrub from years past. This is champagne apple and honey. Like I said, I like this in the scrub. This is a great formula though. I want to show you this. This is super, look at how thick this one is. The creamy body scrub is wonderful. It's a nice exfoliator, and because it's creamy, it feels like really moisturizing as you wipe it off. But this is an awesome formula. Look at this. And it smells good. For some reason, I love it in the scrub. Go figure, don't like it in the candle. Not even so much in the body care, but I love the scrub. That smells really good. Anyway, let me show you the formula real quick on the moisturizing. See how it's all like more of a creamy formula? I have to wash my hand off now. I wonder if I can mix Midnight Amber Glow and champagne apple and honey. What's it smell like if I mix these? It smells like a Midnight Amber Glow apple. It actually smells pretty good. Amazing. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you're shopping the sale tomorrow. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.